Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do a simple recipe. I'm gonna combine oranges with carrots to make a wicked drink. It is a drink because water is added to it. I'm also gonna use the juice of 2 limes, and I'm not gonna use no ginger, right? I did an executive profile test and no ginger because ginger is high in potassium, right? So you don't know that carrots have a sweetish taste, and the oranges that I am using, they are called pasta brown or parson brown as we say in Jamaica, and they are extremely sweet. So I am going to use them as a sweetener, so no sugar will be added, okay?
There's a heavy weight you've been trying to hold on to, but you can lay it all down with me, 'cause in the end I'm just trying to show you you don't need more pain and misery. And baby, 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 you gotta hold on to what we got and give me, give me all of your love, all of your love. Yeah, baby, 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 you gotta hold on to what we got and give me, give me all of your love, all of your love. 'Cause me and you, we got a good thing going. Don't cast it off. Just let this love keep showing. Yeah. Ooh. You say you're tired and you're growing weary. I'm here to give